Hey folks, Daniel here. I'm just out in the DR today doing a quick mod to it. I've got this Fender Brace. I ordered this from Adventure Bike Australia. It's a Procycle stainless steel Fender Brace, and I think I paid around about 60 Australian dollars. I'll link it in the description below. So anyway, let's get this fitted. Okay, hard to see, but there's 4 8mm bolts under here, and then that fender just pulls off, so you need to remove them to start with. It's a 6mm bolt that goes in through here, so I've just got a 6.5mm drill. Squeeze it down. The kit comes with 2 different length bolts, depending on your fender setup. It says to advise using the shortest one, which this is, and it comes with a washer and a nylock nut. Now the reason I'm fitting this Fender Brace is because I got this bag. I got this from AliExpress. It's just a wee molly pouch bag. And inside here I've got a puncture repair kit, which has got some patches, some glue, and a wee rasp. And I've got my motor presser, compact tire inflator. Now this bag isn't waterproof, so I'm going to put this in a lunch bag and have it in here. What I'm going to need to do is drill 2 wee slots in my brace there, in front and behind the bag, so I can run a strap over the top and push it down. So I'll just get a pen, mark that, and then we'll drill it. So we've got both our marks here. What I want to try and do is cut holes the width of the strap in either one. So I'll just mark it for width, try and get it centralised. Just roughly, it doesn't need to be too accurate, you'll never see it with the bag on. And what I'm going to do, just take my drill holes all the way along, like so, until I can pass the strap through. Drill a couple more holes across, just enough to get my file in. It's not the most perfect job in the world, but once the bag's on you'll never see it, and it's just there for, it's not there to look good, it's there to do a job. So let's fire it back in the bike here. Strap up through the hole there. Tie it round. That's solid there. I've got my... Well, it's not solid, but it's tight enough that it won't come out ever. Still easy access, slacken this off and get my pump out. Perfect. That's what I'm after. Right, I'll just cut this strap here. melt the end so it doesn't fray. And you can tuck that under. Cut this wee tag off as well. So there you go, folks. That's the Pro Cycle Fender Brace installed, and that's what I'm going to use it for. Carrying my Compressor pocket pump and a puncture repair kit. That'll stay on the bike at all times. The only thing I need to do is just put that pump in a sandwich bag just to keep it dry. So I'll put links to everything that I've used in this video down below, and if you like this video, hit that like button and subscribe to the channel, and there'll be more mods and maintenance videos coming up soon. So anyway guys, I'll catch you in the next one.